Have a pleasant morning, children. In previous classes, we learned basic concepts of social science. As you all know that our social science textbook, according to the NCERT curriculum, is divided into 3 books. The 3 books are History, Geography, Social and Political Life. Let us start with Geography. In this video, we are going to discuss the first chapter in Geography, that is Environment, for class 7. Environment has originated from a French word, environner, which means neighborhood. Whatever we see in our surroundings, that means buildings, houses, tables, chairs, people, even that open field, the road, the garbage, all are parts of our environment. What is environment and why is it important? Environment is a place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Environment is very important for all living beings because environment is our basic life supporting system. It provides us with basic essential things like the air we breathe, water we drink, food we eat, and the land where we live. Components of environment. It has 3 components. They are natural components of environment, human-made components of environment, human components of environment. Let us brief each one. Natural components of environment. The natural surroundings, for example, water, air, land, all the living things, which includes the natural components of environment. Then, human-made components of environment. It includes all the things which are made by human beings. For example, buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, factories, churches, temples, all these are human-made components of environment. Then, human components of environment. It includes human-related values and beliefs. For example, individual, family, community, religion, educational, economic, and political situations. All these includes the human components of environment. Environment is a combination of natural and human-made resources. So, what is natural environment? The components of environment provided by nature are called natural environment. Land, water, air, plants and animals makes the natural environment. The natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth. Let us see what are biotic and abiotic components of environment. The word biotic means living organisms. For example, plants, animals, people, all living organisms, which includes biotic components of environment. And abiotic components. The word abiotic means non-living elements. For example, land, water, rocks, air, sunlight, wind, and soil. The natural environment has 4 domains, namely lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. These are the 4 domains of the natural environment. So in next class, we will discuss a detailed information of all these 4 domains of natural environment and about ecosystem. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.